Hey guys, so we're back. We're going to do this installation of this VALKCO smart door lock. It has all the pieces you need. The only tool you really need to install this is a Phillips head screwdriver if you're replacing a or replacing a deadbolt, which is exactly what we're doing. They do give you the template for cutting the hole and all of that stuff if you have to, if you're starting off with a blank door with no handle on it. We don't have that, so I'm not going to need that equipment today. So today all I need really is a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have 4 AA batteries that it takes. Those are not included in the package. When you install this, you start with the deadbolt piece, and there's a clear thing on here that tells you that this part goes up. Now, depending on the distance from your door, you can lengthen this piece out. Essentially twist it, pull it, and twist it back. So if your hole is over here more, then you would do that. Mine is not, so we're gonna leave it at, this is 2 3/8. The other mark is 2 3/4. So 2 3/8 is what fits my door. We're gonna put this in, and again, make sure you follow the up arrow. Put it in there. Then take your 2 wood screws. And again, this is replacing something that's already there, so I don't have to drill any more holes, but I am going to use this drill to make it faster. So now we're going to put the face plate on for the outside. Make sure that you put the outside on first. It's got this ring on it. Make sure you don't pinch this cable, and this has got a really nice silicone pad on it that this face piece locks into to make it weather protected. Put your wire under your deadbolt, slide the key into it, and just sort of wiggle it around till it fits in there correctly. There we go. And that's in. So now we're going to install the back. Come around here and we'll install the back part of it. So you have this back plate. Make sure that when you install this silicone rubber gasket goes against the door frame, and you'll see why in a minute. But we'll thread your wire through the square hole or rectangle hole. And then you have to line up your 2 screws here. There's one started. Here's the other one started. And we'll just thread them on real quick. These are long threads or long screws, so it takes a second to get them in there, but it adds thickness to it or adds security to it. So that may seem like a bad thing when you're installing it, but it actually is a very good thing. All right, that's one. And that's the other one. Tighten them up real good. All right, so that's that piece. The next thing we're gonna do is install the lock on the back. Make sure the blade lines up here. But now all you do is simply plug your cable in to this piece. It's hard to show on the camera, I'm sure. But it's just that simple. Now you line up your blade piece in the back and make sure you don't pinch that control cable. Get it seated inside there. Screws, and that's what's going to secure your lock to the plate. Let me get this other one. All right, installation is complete. Now, the other thing that I want to talk about is it comes with the plate for the deadbolt to fit into and a cup for all of that. But we're going to use the old stuff that we already have. So basically, let's check it out, see if it works. So there it is, secure. We unlock it. So the next step is we're going to put the batteries in it and hook it up to the app and get it all programmed, and we'll cover that next.